world is waiting. The time is near. Through the storms and the trials, the truth is clear. Nkua Tulendo, born of our land, the warrior king will rise, take a stand. They gave us stories but twisted the light, replacing Tata Nzambe with lies in the night. The Trinity's false, a doctrine to bind, but the Bantu will awaken, reclaim what's divine.
Oh, Nkua Tulendo, rise and fight. Lead us to justice through the darkest night. With Ne Muanda Kongo, the heavens will roar. Tata Nzambe's truth will reign forevermore. The chariots of fire will blaze the sky. Our ancestors march, their voices cry. Ne Muanda Kongo, the archangel leads, breaking the chains, fulfilling our needs. Simeon Toko, a glimpse of the power. The Belgians fled from the heavenly hour. Tata Nzambe's glory cannot be replaced by stories of saviors the Gentiles embraced. Oh, Nkua Tulendo, rise and fight. Lead us to justice through the darkest night. With Ne Muanda Kongo, the heavens will roar. Tata Nzambe's truth will reign forevermore. Not Jesus, not Rome, not a borrowed name. The Bantu people will never be tamed. We're sons and daughters of the Most High, reclaiming our kingdom as the nations die. Through reincarnation the cycle flows. Earth is our home, Tata's grace it shows. Prepare for the war, the justice to come. The fall of the Edomites, their reign is done. Oh, Nkua Tulendo, rise and fight. Lead us to justice through the darkest night. With Ne Muanda Kongo, the heavens will roar. Tata Nzambe's truth will reign forevermore. Let the Bantu rise, let the truth be known. Tata Nzambe reigns on his heavenly throne. With culture, language, and kingdom restored, warrior king returns, justice assured. Oh, Nkua Tulendo, lead us today. Ne Muanda Kongo, guide our way. Tata Nzambe's light will never fade. The truth of the Bantu will not be swayed.